Having removed the installation device from the packaging, plug the installation device directly into the charging port of the Samsung phone. Removing the top section of the installation device, take the screen armour, and you'll see that there's two holes at the top there. The top section we've just removed fits neatly into those two holes and then plugs back into the installation device so that the product can be installed correctly. Ensuring that the screen armour is held upright, you can peel away the inside protective layer and giving the phone another clean just before you put the screen guard down over it. You'll see that the screen guard fits neatly over the top of the device, and what you're looking to do is match up the camera hole over the position of the actual camera. Using the squeegee device, squeeze the screen guard down over the screen firmly but gently, and then smooth off the edges where the corners are and the curved edge of the device. Then once it's all in properly, you can see that the screen guard has been safely and neatly connected to the phone. You can unplug the top section of the installation device, pull out the main plug of the installation device, and the tab at the bottom, you just fold backwards. I've just cleaned the device up again a little bit more, just a good opportunity to give it another edge to remove bubbles. And you'll see that the base edge just opens up neatly and can be pulled away from the actual screen guard, which is now installed and stuck firmly to the device itself. Giving the device another quick squeegee over and a rub down just to make sure everything's all clean and neat and tidy, and you will find that that is all that is necessary for the installation of the Impact Flex by EFM. Here's your device installed.